ready to turn your mobile game into a multiplayer masterpiece. First, you'll need to import the PhotonPun package into your Unity project. You can find this in the Unity Asset Store. Just search for PhotonPun 2. Next, head over to the Photon Engine website and create a free account. This will give you access to the Photon app ID, which is crucial for connecting your game. Copy your app ID from the Photon dashboard, then go back into Unity. Find the Photon serving script located in your project and paste your app ID into the app ID field. Now, create a simple scene with the basic elements of your game. You'll need to add a PhotonView component to any object you want to synchronize across the network. The PhotonView component allows you to control how objects are synchronized by script with the Observe option. Use PhotonWork. Connect choosing stings to connect to the Photon Cloud, and PhotonWork. Instantiate to create networked objects. Now you are ready to test. Build your game to both your test devices, and that's it. You should see it working now. Happy developing.